announced a relief package of approximately $8 billion. Moreover, a comprehensive Pakistan response and preparedness plan was launched in consultation with all stakeholders to channelize the efforts and resources and address the gaps. However, no state can handle the magnitude of this crisis alone. International cooperation is required more than ever before. Excellencies, it is imperative to revalidate the principle of sharing responsibility and burden and to support large refugee hosting countries during these difficult times. Resources for protected refugees situations must not diminish at this hour. Thus far, Pakistan has been financing the health needs of Afghan population in the country through our own resources without any discrimination. UNHCR has only provided limited support to who they consider are refugees by a very strict definition which excludes 1.6 million Afghan refugees. Overall, UNHCR has launched an appeal of $20.6 million for Afghan refugees in Pakistan amidst COVID-19. However, that amount is clearly not enough as it only caters towards the needs of 1.4 million POR card holders registered with UNHCR and does not take into account remaining 1.6 million Afghan nationals in Pakistan. I will share following 7 points to enable large refugee hosting countries in managing the refugees in the wake of COVID-19. 1. The UNHCR's refugee response plans, which are part of the global humanitarian response plan, must be adequately financed. 2. While coping up with COVID-19, the regular support of the international partners must not diminish. 3. Provision of liquidity and necessary fiscal space through stimulus packages and debt relief for large refugee hosting countries. 4th, supporting services infrastructure in the host communities and countries, considering that those are overstretched due to COVID-19 are being utilized by both refugees and host communities. 5th, immediate provision of testing kits, PPE equipment, sanitizers, masks, isolation facilities, ventilators, ambulances, and necessary medicines and equipment. 6th, equal treatment of protracted large refugee situations with the new emerging ones. 7th, ceasing of any hostilities or conflict and ceasefire in the countries of the origin of the refugees to stop further displacements. Moreover, the work on creation of pull factors for return and reintegration of refugees must continue. Excellencies, virus does not differentiate on the basis of nationalities, race, religion, ethnicity, or color. Similarly, the virus does not discriminate between who UNHCR considers as refugees. Such an approach is inherently discriminatory. It is time to exhibit the true meaning of leaving no one behind. I thank you all.